Greetings and welcome to Too Damn Many Projects. Today we're going to address a F-up. Well, I could have said the real word, but I might offend somebody. You just don't know this day and age who you might piss off. And I do enough of them just by being me. Welcome. This is all about my extensive projects that I've taken on over the years, and through various reasons unable to complete them, or they've been delayed or what have you. And now I'm getting my health back. I'm getting my muscle structure working and so on. I took a little neck surgery, a little shoulder surgery, and shoulder isn't 100%, but it's there. It's doing a lot better than it was, and the other one seemed to heal up, so that helped a lot. But today is a major F-up on the part of this character. Moved into the shop, got the forklift off the trailer, loaded it in here, and I was in the process of taking the heavy toolbox out of the truck with the forklift, and it ran out of propane. So Friday night, about almost 5, I did manage to find somebody to get me some propane. Time I got back, I was hungry, realized I hadn't eaten all day. I'm gonna dash over and get me a bite to eat. And seeing as how it's Friday night, well, Friday night's gotta be sushi night, right? Now, I don't drink, so I can't blame alcohol, but then again, you should never blame alcohol. Professional never blames his tools, right? But I don't drink, but I do get really, really tired. I'm still suffering from that. I'll have some days where I'll just go like a bat out of hell, and the next day I feel like I hit a brick wall, and or halfway through the day I'm like, okay, nap time. It's inconsistent, but it is working. It's a vast improvement. So what did I do with the forklift? I left the ignition on. I come in the next morning because I decided not to come back to the shop that night, being that I was tired and want to let my tummy full of sashimi settle. Come back, and the forklift has smoked, god-awful stench. Burned the points up, burnt the coil up, cracked it, blew the top off of it, the whole bit. It was just really a lot of fun. It's a Group 31 battery, 950 cold cranking amps, so you can imagine, there's a lot going on there. So finding points for this old bugger, it's a 64 Heister, and it really is a neat old forklift, and it's going to go through some nice revamps. One of the things that's going to happen is it's going to be made waterproof, so I don't get drowned, and it doesn't get drowned. Can't be open air in this part of the world. It just doesn't work. So it's going to get a few toys on it. I'll put a water heater on it. I'm going to have a hookup for jumper cables, so just plug it, and you can run it right over the car and jumper it. Gonna be prettied up. I have some extra teak wood, so I'm gonna cut it out and put some gauges in there and make it have a really neat dash. There's a lot of repairs I got to do. I got to put a new ram on it because it leaks. You get it up to a certain height and it'll give you a shower. Proportioning valve, or actually it's the priority valve, doesn't work right. So you got to use Armstrong steering. I got to apologize about these lights in the ceiling. Those aren't lights, actually. It's skylights, and then there's a fluorescent over here in the corner. Lighting isn't all that great. I haven't had a chance to work with it, but once we get the shop set up, it'll be more video friendly. You won't blast stuff off. But let's get to the forklift and those god-awful destructo points. I'm gonna just turn the old camera over there and learn how to use this crap, so bear with me. Okay, so there's the motor right there, and I'm gonna get closer. I think I'm gonna get closer, but maybe I have to do something different. Okay, well, we'll come back.